It's a show and a contest. We have modelers coming from all over state, out of state, even at times different countries. And they put their models on display, they're judged. We award first, second, third, best ofs, things like that. And then to help push the hobby a little bit, we have a nice big vendor room here where these guys can come and get all sorts of stuff they need. So we're IPMS Houston. We are part of a larger national organization, IPMS USA. And it's a group of modelers. We build scale models. It's all subjects, all scales. We have aircraft, automotive, and cars, armor, ships, figures, dioramas, pretty much anything you can model. I mean, and whatever you want to model, you can model. We'll come in to support you. We'll help beginners. We have a place for master modelers. It runs a really wide gamut. Well, I think one is skill, how well the models are built. I also think it's the subjects. People, like cars, they like certain types of cars. Aircraft, same thing. I mean, it's also history. People like it for the history, and then I guess the artistry, how to make it look like it is a copy of the real thing. It's just different according to the guy doing it. It's kind of a nerdy hobby maybe, and it can be obsessive at times. So you got spouses that really support you. Now the vendors that come in, they're great because they're a good source for us to get kits that we don't always find in a store somewhere or order. They also have older kits. There's guys right now even looking for kits they built when they were kids. They're going back and building those to see if they can do a better job than they did, when they were 10 years old. And then the guys coming together, it's kind of a support thing, It's because we have a show, and then there's one in Austin or Lake Charles. We'll go to them and challenge each other and try to make each other do better in building models to improve your techniques, your skill. And it's, like I said, it's clubs, and you join and support each other, and you try to help each other do better. It's like any club, It's your group of guys that are doing something in common. So you get to be with other guys doing things you like to do. For Modelmania this year, I think we've had a pretty good crowd come in this year. I think we may even done better than last year, which is really nice. It's kind of good to see things coming back after all the shutdowns we've had the last few years. We've been luckier than some other clubs. There's some other clubs that have been around, hadn't had a show in 3 years. And we were able to get back in 2021. So it's been really nice, and it's starting to come back. And everybody's welcome, just come out. And, you don't have to come to every meeting, and just join in.